Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, August 26th. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So today is Saturday, markets are closed, but on the weekend I always have a look at the higher time frame as a preparation for the trading week and also for investors. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and I believe from the March 2020 lows we had the first impulse up here as a wave one, 5 waves. We end with divergence. Looks good. Then we had this corrective move down here as a wave two. I would label this as an ABC. We do not fulfill the minimum requirements for this wave 2, so normally we should go into this area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. That did not happen, but okay, that's possible. We came we didn't reach the level, but we came quite close. And so from here we had we had a move up here. And so now I believe we are working here on this wave one in the higher degree, which is then the first wave of 5 waves up that we should have to reach this target here as a wave 3. So if we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then our wave 3 is supposed to go here in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Okay, this looks very bullish, but yeah, remember there are always other scenarios that can play out, and like if I have to come up with a bearish scenario in the weekly, I would say that maybe this wave 2 is not over yet, but still ongoing, and then it could be that we are doing like here in A, B, C, so that this is a wave A down. Then we have something corrective here as a wave B, and then from here we can see another leg down, the C wave in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, deeper into this area. That's a possibility. However, it's not my main scenario, because like our current low is here, or price level now is somewhere somewhere in this area. There is quite some separation, as you can see, so it makes more sense to continue with this bullish scenario in the weekly, but it is something that we cannot exclude. It's something that we have to keep in mind. We would have more confirmation about the bullish scenario once we start to take out here this high, the all-time high. Okay, then let's have a look here at the daily. So this here is our wave 2 low, and so now I'm assuming that we are heading towards this wave. So that we are working here on this wave 1, and so it looks like we had the first impulse here to the upside, which I label as a wave 1. This then corrective move down would be a wave 2, and so then we have to work here on this wave 3, and the target for this wave 3 is the area that we can find by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then we should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, again, we should go there in 5 waves, and so my primary scenario now says that we here had our wave 1 like as a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are now doing our wave 2, And then from here, from this area, we should start here our wave 3 of 3, heading in towards this area. So first of all, like the target for this wave 2 is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave 1. Then the wave 2 is supposed to go between the 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracements. So this is our target. Now there is a problem with this leading diagonal. Well, a problem depends on which data source you take. So this here is 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on the Wanda platform, the wave 3 is slightly shorter than our wave 5, and wave 1 is the longest. And so wave 3 cannot be your shortest wave. However, if I take other data sources, then I see that wave 3 is slightly longer than our wave 5. So this this makes it a bit difficult which data source is right, and so it's up to you to make the decision. If you believe wave 3 here is the shortest, then it means that this 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cannot be an impulse. It should be something corrective then. And so then my alternative scenario would be that this is a wave 1, but that we are still working on this wave 2. So now focus on the annotations in red. So wave 1, then we are doing an expanded flat structure, 1, 2, 3, down as wave A, something corrective here as a wave B, overshooting wave B, and then we can go down in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down as here to make the wave 2, to make this wave 2 here, and from there upside again. So this is the alternative scenario. It's not my primary scenario. I would like to stick here for now with the green scenario. Let's have a closer look at this in the 4-hour. So as you can see here, my 5 waves, and depending on the data source you take, wave 3 is slightly shorter or wave 3 is slightly longer than wave 5. But okay, I continue with here 5 waves, this as an impulse. So then this is a wave 1 here. And so now we should head towards this wave 2 area. And the reason and the way that we do this, I believe, will be as an ABC. So until last week, I was a bit in doubt, would we get a WXY structure or an ABC structure? And so now it looks like we get our ABC. We made another low here, but a low with divergence. This looks like an impulsive pattern to the downside. So if this is corrective, then this impulse should be part of an ABC. And so then I would expect now, like if this low is in for now, it looks like, then our target here becomes this area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement. This is the target for our wave B. And then from here, we should see downside again as a wave C into this area. So this is what I believe that will play out. So next week probably some upside first to reach this wave B area, and from then on we can move down again in a wave C. Okay, that's my analysis, my higher time frame analysis. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you next week for some daily updates. Have a nice day. Bye bye.